Hey, cookie lovers! Today I am talking about a magical combo that never disappoints: dark chocolate and mint. Yup, that classic flavor duo that's rich, refreshing, and absolutely irresistible. Imagine biting into a chewy cookie with gooey dark chocolate and a cool burst of mint. Oh, my taste buds are dancing just thinking about it. I was curious to know how dark chocolate and mint became such a power couple. Chocolate and mint have been a thing since the early 1900s. It all started with minty chocolate candies, and people quickly realized that the cooling freshness of mint pairs perfectly with the deep, rich flavor of dark chocolate. It's like they were made for each other. Talk about a match made in cookie heaven. For the perfect dark chocolate and mint cookies, you'll need flour, sugar, cocoa powder, dark chocolate chips, peppermint extract, and your usual cookie suspects like baking soda and a pinch of salt. Oh, and don't forget a little love, because every good cookie needs a sprinkle of that. And if you're feeling extra indulgent, you can even drizzle melted dark chocolate on top. You know, just to make things fancy. But hey, if you're gluten-free, no worries. Swap out the flour for a gluten-free blend. Want to take the mint flavor up a notch? Crush up some peppermint candies and mix them in for a crunchy surprise. If you're a real chocolate lover like me, try a double dark version by adding some extra cocoa powder. The possibilities are endless, and your taste buds will thank you. I have found one of the best dark chocolate and mint cookies. Yes, in New York, Levain Bakery has a minty chocolate chip cookie that's as thick as a hockey puck and tastes like pure joy. And on the West Coast, Milk Jar Cookies in LA makes a chocolate mint masterpiece that just melted in my mouth. Trust me, these cookies are worth the trip, or at least a serious cookie craving. So go ahead and bake a batch: dark chocolate and mint cookies that are easy to make and even easier to devour. Stay sweet, friends, and keep those cookie cravings coming.